I'm going to interview
no
this guy.
energy
Yeah,
here at the car show. None.
You want to interview him?
These guys, there's no energy. Oh, wait, so
we
we're
got to
over
interview
here.
this
Over
guy.
here. There is no energy here at the car show. You know what?
No energy.
Don't come here if you want to have fun, because there's no fun here at the car show.
No, this is a dreary, dreary place.
I love it. These guys, headlights and tailpipes, can't go wrong. Boy, thanks for tuning in to the headlights, to the tailpipes, and the stories in between. Factory 5 is in the house. Now, they got here in a weird kind of way, and the cool story as well, because the first car that we did came from somebody who, you know what, couldn't finish it, so the next guy finished it. Now, this one is even better. I just dig what you did here, Pete. You got to tell us how you got this car. First off, you had somebody pump the brakes, and you said, what?
Well, the guy actually brought the car into where my wife worked, and kind of told her a little bit of story about it when she asked what it was. And he said he was getting ready to tear it down and build it up to go on the track only. And she said, well, then you need to meet my husband. Got us connected together, and I basically bought the car for him at that point, which was about 2/3 done. Needed paint, needed all the accessories added, a lot of little things that were being held on by, duct tape just to kind of hold them in place. I finished all that up, made some modifications to it. The wife kind of picked the color. We agreed on the blue with the white stripes. She likes chrome, so that's why we have chrome wheels on it. And pretty much after that, everything is as you see it.
Man, it doesn't matter when you pick them up, as long as you make them yours. And that's what Pete did. I mean, Pete and his wife just turned this project that was partially done. What was funny is this, is you said, whoa, hold on a second. I'm gonna buy a car, and then what'd you do? You went and bought him another kit?
Yeah, that was pretty much the deal. He was going to get this car torn completely down and rebuild it from the ground up to be race only. And I said, I'll take it just the way it is, and if you really want to start from scratch, I'll buy you another one. So I bought him a kit. He gave me this car. We some cash, traded hands, and this one became mine, almost completed.
From kit to oh man, it's just throwing me off. It's a tongue twister for you. Ready? From kit to kabow, kaboom. I mean, this car is killer. From your headlights to your tailpipes, the stories are all around you. Get out to the car shows because they're awesome. Me and my friend Pete come out right here in Las Vegas, or tune in to our channel, or subscribe. The stories are all around you all the time. Thanks for tuning in.